Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, we'll do one question of primary distribution of overheads where direct wages as well as indirect wages are given and special point is required to be noted for power expenses. Let us read question. The modern company has 4 departments. A, B and C are production departments and D is servicing department. The actual cost for a period are as follows. Indirect materials, it is clearly given for each department allocated A 950, B 1200, C 200 and D service department 1500. Indirect wages, it is also given for each department allocated A 900, B 1100, C 300 and service department D 1000. Rent, repairs, depreciation, lighting, supervision, insurance, employees insurance, employers liability, power. The following data are also available in respect of 4 departments. Area square feet. This will be used for allocation of rent and other items. We can have the ratio of this. (15:11 is to 9 is to 5. Number of workers 24 is to 16 is to 12 is to 8. Direct wages paid for A department 8,000, B 6,000, C and D 4,000 and 2,000. Here department D is service department. So this amount, even though it's a direct wages paid, it will be considered as overheads. Value of plant 24,000, 18,000, 12,000 and 6,000. So ratio is 4 is to 3 is to 2 is to 1. Value of stock 5 is to 3 is to 2. 15,000, 9,000 and 6,000. Apportion the above cost to various departments on most equitable method. Note, insurance has been taken for stock. So we are required to divide insurance expense based on value of stock, this ratio. Power expenses are to be apportioned on the basis of value of plant. Usually power expenses are allocated on horsepowers of machineries used by individual department. In this question, it is clearly given that power expenses we are required to allocate based on value of plant. So it is divided on the basis of value of plant. First we'll record amount of direct wages 8,000, 6,000, 4,000. In case of department D, which is a service department, it will be considered as overheads. Direct wages department A 8,000, department B 6,000. Department C and D are service department 4,000 and 2,000. So it will be treated as overheads. In case of service department C and D, direct wages will not be considered as direct wages. They will be treated as overheads. Indirect materials given for all the departments. Indirect wages given for all the departments. rent 2000. Rent will be allocated based on area square feet. Repairs 1200. It will be based on value of plant 24,000, 18,000, 12,000 and 6,000. Depreciation 900. It will be also allocated based on value of plant. Lighting 200. It will be divided in the area of department. Supervision 3000. It will be allocated in the number of workers 24, 16, 12 and 8. Insurance 1000. Insurance has been taken for stock. Here they have given value of stock 15,000, 9,000 and 6,000. There is no stock in department D. So ratio will be 5:3:2. Employees insurance, employers liability 300. This will be allocated in the ratio of wages. Power expenses 1800. Power expenses are to be apportioned on the basis of value of plant. 4:3:2:1. We have recorded all expenses. Let us divide them. We have divided all expenses in equitable ratio. Let us take column total to arrive at share of overheads. In this question, we have learned how to allocate various expenses as per the information given in the question. Thanks for watching this video. Stay in tune with Ekeeda and subscribe to our channel Ekeeda. Thank you.